Hi everyone, Pones here, and in this video I'm going to show you a backtest session of how I trade. I'm not profitable yet, that's why I'm recording this video so I can watch it later. If you wanna watch my journey, feel free to subscribe to the channel, try to post a backtest video every day until I become consistently profitable. So let's do it. We are doing GU on the month of July, as I said in the previous video. Fuck Bitcoin. GU moves much better, at least for my strategy, the way I see the charts. This is I will use the manipulation stuff that I was using before. I'm just doing the basic plan that my mentor made, just to get back into the groove of it. Yeah, that's it. Let's see how it goes. I'll not mark this because this is weekly. I don't know how long it can take. It can take days for price to start going down because of this liquidity, so I'll not bother marking this stuff. I'll just look at the closest price here. H4 there was nothing. H1 there is here. There's also this one in the middle of the leg. Yeah, of course this one. This would be probably a POI for the current price. M5 is bullish. I'll wait for price to take this. And also price has to become efficient. Here it was inefficient and then it came back and now it's efficient. So I have to see a manipulation after this. First I gave you a huge candle here. No manipulation. This could be inverse. But price didn't take this liquidity. I wanted price to take this. Yeah, we can try this one at the 50. Since there is no imbalance here, if there was an imbalance here, I would wait. But since there isn't, I will try on this POI. And I'll try here at the 50. Stop below the low. 4R. Let's see how it goes. Oh, already broke. No trade here. Another M5. Price broke, came back and broke, so this manipulation is valid. Of course I want to long here. One, two. I can also long here. Price became efficient this candle. No trades here. No, this is M5. This is the extreme of the closest POI. I wanna wait for price step here. This is not a me. Let's try it. I could use the stops here, since there is nothing else to take. I'll do like this. Kinda risky. Let me see. This 4R here. It's a little bit above. I'll do like this then. Yeah, this looks nice. No, thank God I didn't place my stop loss here. Oh. I press view stops here. Should I close this trade? I think I should. 2R, 4R. Whatever, fuck it. Let's try. M5. I don't know if this is manipulation. Now this is all internal. This is a straight leg. Let's wait for price to come back down. I'll not try it too long here because this is internal. Now the M5 is from here to here. M5 here is starting to go bearish. Yeah, on a long from here. Extreme of the leg. Here there is a nice liquidity. There is also this imbalance. Let's took it out. I wanna see tap here. Oh, maybe it won't. I can't short because M5 external is here. I think I can try this one. No. Oh. Valid stop. Now price manipulated the 5 again. There is two POIs. There is this one in the middle of the leg. There's this one at the extreme. I'll wait for this. I don't even want to do anything here. Only one leg. Two. Maybe I can short here. Price became efficient on this candle. If the price breaks this high, then I can long, short, I mean. Didn't give. Now there's another one. Price efficient here. Like this. Broke. If first breaks up, I can already short. But I wanna see taking this. Didn't take it. We are at the extreme. 50% tapped. I wanna see price coming here. Not maybe price can go up from this. Harami. Uh, 8 pips. Kinda big. 4R is here. Maybe I can wait this liquidity and then price will tap on this candle. If price comes here, I think I can do a limit. Yeah, let's do the limit here. Okay, price actually tapped the imbalance. There's news coming. It's kinda dangerous. Oh shit. Yeah, in this case, whatever. Entering here. There was also this engulfing. Could have entered here. Okay, pressing that up, only going down. M1, H1 is bullish, but we are currently going bearish. Maybe we're going to come to this POI. If price stops here and start giving M5 and then goes the third leg, then I can try to long. Otherwise we'll just keep shorting. But we also took this H1, so we can expect a high M5 high to get taken. Got taken, at least one. Let's see if there is any POI here. There is this imbalance fill. So let's use this one, since I don't know which one to use on M5. This is at least imbalance. wanna see price taking this liquidity and maybe tapping the here. Never mind. Oh, went straight down, straight up. Maybe another in 5, I don't know. Kinda weird. Since there's this liquidity here, maybe this is already mitigated because the sell to buy was here, and then this broke and already came back. So price I think is actually here. So price already tapped this. Let's see how much this is. Only 1.5. Yeah, I have to try something like this if I wanna get a nice trade here. Came to the 50. No, only came to the 50. Even using the candle here was not worth it. 2 hours, that it's good, but unless I did something like this. But how would I know? Maybe I actually should have done like this, because the price wasn't here at this POI yet, and this will probably only give a reaction and will not make price go up, I think. Maybe I could have done actually like this. Oh, imagine. Oh, now was the P. Now here's the new POI. And 5 manipulation, came down, price has to come up again. This is open, so this can be liquidity. I don't want to short here in the middle of the leg. And also price became efficient here. I need to see manipulation. Oh, never mind, just broke. Did I miss something here? Search buy. The whole search buy was open. There was no imbalance here, so maybe prices, the orders were here. This was the actual correct POI. Just because there was no imbalances here. And then this was the liquidity. This was a reverse to tap here, but it wasn't valid because price only got efficient on this candle. Yeah, this stays over. And let's just skip this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pressing that up. Just give me a reaction. Now it's going down again. Maybe to here. This is not a strong liquidity because this is breakup structure, not a strong low going up. But maybe price can take it M5 high. Check this. Let's see how price delivers. Oh, never mind. I think price was efficient because of these wicks. The wicks were touching. I can short. Not yet. This is the POI. If broke, came back, broke. This is valid. Tapped. This basically tapped. Didn't actually touch, but that's basically a tap. I don't wanna go too deep on this POI. And this 3R looks good. Let's do market. Oh, taps the POI. Giving a reaction. This is another POI. Price became efficient here. Need to break this high for me to short. Didn't break. Maybe call highs. Okay, nice. It's kind of risk to short now. But let's keep on trying until M5 turns. Price ended up going a lot further. Where's the M5? Maybe here? It's kind of weird. Let's see, where is this candle? Yeah, it came up and then down. I don't know, let's use this one. That one is too confusing. So we can short here until M5 turns. Price is efficient. This manipulation is valid actually. Tapped here, huge candle. If I use the middle, there is not enough R. Let's try here. Price, I don't like this short too much, but Price is going to fail, it's going to break everything, so let's try to get at least 4R here. Oh, ended up going down, almost took me, what the fuck, this was close. By 3 pipettes. It was a nice try. Only took, barely took this, only wicks. This looks very weak. So now M5 is here. I don't know about this short. Price barely took this. I like when price clearly takes it and moves down. And here it seems like price is holding. So I will skip this. Short, if price comes, then oh, thank God I skipped that one. Now this is M5. We can still go down. The only POI I can see is this. Too short. Here everything is grouped. It's one above the other, so no way to know. This is a nice imbalance fill. So maybe we can try to long until this area and then we can short again. So we can long now. It's broken down. This looks like a manipulation. Looking at the candles, this is on seconds, but here on M1, maybe it's only a leg like this. Maybe it's only like this. I'll consider this. And if price comes and tap this, I will try to long. I can actually do like, let's try like this until that POI. Let's see what happens. Oh. Almost an engulfing. Oh damn. Okay. Looking good. Oh damn. Okay, nice. Actually ended up going. Holy shit, I thought this was a stop loss. Fuck. Almost tapping. Huge engulfing. Okay, nice. Now this is the whole POI. This will be the POI on M5. Let's see. The 50 looks open because price broke, came up. Well, you can say that it isn't. It's only one pipette. Like what the fuck? This can be considered mitigated. So let's say the orders are here now. Instead of using the whole POI, I can use only this. There's a nice imbalance, liquidity only here. Let's see how much this is. Only 6, 4. I don't want to do like this because this is a demand area on H1, so this can probably hold price, but this one, this short, I don't think it will break down because this is M5 against H1. Maybe can this one I think I'll put in break even, and I'll try to target here. But price can of course just break up. So this would be the place to long again, following M5 mitigation. Price broke, came down, broke. This is actually valid because we broke here. We got efficient on this candle, ended up breaking higher. Oh damn. If I have a long here, then I will not put in break even. Unless you price stepping here. Oh, Harami. Sure. 2.13. Let's try the 50. Yeah, this looks better. Since I didn't enter, I'll put this in break even. Okay, now I will open again. Now I have both open. Okay, this short actually worked. What the fuck? Now this is M5. Now let's see price coming here. If price doesn't, I wanna see. If price stops somewhere around here, then I wanna see M1 manipulating to go up. Oh. What the fuck? Ended up breaking everything. I was not expecting this. Okay then. Maybe this. I really thought that this was gonna hold price. But looking at the whole picture, we are very high in the leg. This is a nice strong low, but there is a bunch of lows here. This, well, actually on those two. This one I'm not even gonna count. Okay, so it seems price only wants to go down. Oh damn. So now nothing to do. Only one leg down. Oh shit, it actually took the other one. Yeah, now I don't wanna short, I think. One. Yeah, I don't wanna short this. This would be N5. Kind of weird, but it is. Looking only at the candles. Yep, or we can also use this. One, two. One, two. Well, maybe this we can short. Tapped. Liquidity taken. This is open. Very risky short, I think. Already 11:52. This wouldn't be a harami, so let's wait a little more. This is a nice rejection, but there's this huge candle, green candle, so I don't know. Okay, now it's up there, and now this is a harami. Fuck it, let's try this one. This move is very strong going up. Usually price taps here and then goes up. So let's see. Yeah. There was no way too long here, I think. Well, actually there was. What the fuck? I missed it. I didn't see this on 5 manipulation. I was thinking it was a straight leg. Here price broke, came down, broke. So this was valid. Ended up not tapping here, but give a huge candle. Engulfing. Probably wouldn't do because this was still open. I'll just guess where to place my stop loss here. Yeah, probably wouldn't do this one, but whatever. Let's skip this day. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we took this strong low. Took a while, but eventually we gave the move up, and now there's this huge leg down. Here's the H1. Yeah, I think that's it. H1 manipulation is here. Straight leg down. Of course this is internal, but I think the main move is bullish, at least until here. And then from here, I don't know. H4 there is no clear imbalance. I think this is on the daily. Yeah. Maybe hold buy to sell on daily or even weekly. I don't like this price action, but let's try to do something here. So we are expecting price to come here, so we want a long. Let's just make sure where M5 is. This is all external. External was here to here, and then we broke from here to here. This M5 is internal, so actually I only can long from here. So I have to see another break up. Weak break, I don't want to use that. But this would be M5 now. Right? Let's just do like this, from here to here. And then it broke here, from here to here. And then it broke here, came down, and actually broke. So technically, this M5 is valid. But this is in the middle of the leg, and this is the extreme. Oh no, along from here. But maybe price can do a break, and then another one tapping here to give a reaction for me to short until there. Break. Where is it? So straight leg came up, straight leg. I think I can short. Yeah, 1, 2, I can short. Broke, came up, broke. This is actually valid. Engulfing. Since there isn't any, I'll try the stop loss there. I'll try actually for oh damn, it's failed. Now this is in 5. There's only this. I think everything is open here. This 50 also open. Maybe all of this is liquidity. Yeah, I have to try this one, even though it doesn't look good. This one I'll try here. Let's see how it goes. Oh damn, failed. Price is inefficient long, and give another M5. Balance will be this. No, fuck this. If I want a long, go long from here, using this as liquidity. Here I don't want to do anything. And 5. Maybe I can short. Yeah, I can short. Oops. Actually gave inflation broke efficient broke. Oh damn. Whatever, let's try this one. Oh damn. Came to the extreme. Oh, never mind. This is actually another M5. Holy shit. There's a nice imbalance in M5 here. M15 is only the wick. There's also liquidity to come here. Oh. Only took the M5 and dropped. Well, didn't break yet. I'll wait for the news. Holy shit. If I had taken this, maybe tapped here, then I would try to short. This was actually very unlucky. Taps exactly at my stop loss. Okay, whatever. Oh damn, look at this candle. That is probably over now. First ended up not even coming here. What the fuck? There was this H1. And 5 broke, and 5 is here. And this would be the POI to short. It's kinda crazy to short here, I think. And this is also a straight leg down. Yeah, I did wait for a manipulation after tapping here. And I didn't give. But now manipulated the 5. Maybe now price will come here. What the fuck? He actually respected the high and we're going down. Okay, this day is fucked. Let's skip this. Five. Price is still didn't tap here. Tap this, now we are going up. There's this POI. Which one is internal bullish? Price is pretty fucked here. Broke and down broke. This looks like M5. So this can be the POI. And here doesn't really matter, I think. Here one just to see that it's closer to the liquidity. I think it will take a while for price to go there. Oh, actually M5 is here. Barrel broke, took M5. Now you're going down. I'm looking short here. I'm assuming there is a manipulation here. Can be this one, can be this one, whatever. I'll try it like this. Just because here, 2 hours is actually not that bad. Oh shit. Technically here was M5. Broke and not broke and not broke. And I should short from here. No, whatever, let's see. No, come on. Okay, price died. This actually worked. Price medical lows. M5 is here, very far to manipulate. I think I have to count this as a tap here. It's already at the extreme. I can use also M3. If I had to wait for M5, then I'd wait for this. And while this doesn't happen, I need to wait for this, then come down, this, and then try to look for a long here. So I can short from this POI. I wanna short from here. Reverse. This could be a short. I'm gonna short for somewhere around here. Now tap the 50. Made another reverse. since there was no liquidity for price to go up, price is creating liquidity here. This still doesn't look good. Okay, now it went. Maybe I could have done like this, since there was no liquidity. I don't know. Maybe I should have done. Okay, so now we are at the extreme of this huge lag. I actually think waiting for M5 here is safer. Now that we tapped here, I wanna see price taking this and then doing this so we can long. Yeah, I'll wait for M5. I'll not do it just because a candle appeared here. This will be the entry, stop loss below here. There is too much liquidity here. Stop loss 7 to go all the way up there. This M5 is kind of far. Yeah, I'll not do this. Another engulfing. At least now we actually tapped this. I wanna wait for M5. This one I think I will skip and just wait. This is too risky to take. Oh, I ended up not holding this. I'm actually surprised. And this M5 held. Look at this mess. This looks like a strong low. I even took this. Yeah, this was a nice strong low. Swap liquidity here. I think now I should long. Well, M5, if M5 doesn't turn up, there was no trades here. Broke, came up, didn't give manipulation. No, maybe maybe none of this will make price go up. Still no M1. Now we gave. This PI is kinda ugly. This one looks better. Actually, there was M5 here. Then it will be this POI. One. Well, maybe you can long until here. Oh, we are already there. This is still open, so maybe this is liquidity. There was no imbalance here. I didn't notice before. Oh shit. What the fuck? That was very lucky. Yeah, and these days it's over also. Let's just see if price breaks this. Maybe it won't. Okay, let's review the trades. How many days did we do? 4? 1 hour, 4 days. Not that bad. This is the third. What the fuck? Second. The first. I just want to make sure that I made all the correct trades following the basic plan. M5, RME, 4R. This was the extreme of the POI, M5 mitigation. Yeah, valid. And then here M5. M5, maybe the M5 here was too far, and I should have. Well, I tried to short here, but it's not that bad. This one, trying at the extreme at least, it's always nice. Always the best trades are at the extreme. This one maybe I should have used the 50% of the candle after tapping the POI, taking out liquidity. And 4R, pressing that up, coming here, but there was no way for me to enter here, and had to wait for another manipulation. And then the second day, this short was nice. There was a POI here, H1. Broke, came back, broke, so this is valid because the manipulation happened after. Like only this candle was before. That's not a big deal. So it broke and then we came back, swapped this. And basically tapped here. This was a nice short. There was no imbalances here to make price go up, no liquidity. Maybe this, but you can't know for sure. And then here it decided not to take any more shorts. Price ended up breaking again. M5. One, two. Oh, this was a nice long actually. Until this POI, this was nice. Tap the extreme, give the candle 3.44, and then this short was also nice. Tap the imbalance fill on M15, give the candle, and here I had too long because M5 was bullish. Give a harami. Yeah, this stop loss was fine. Then on here, this ended up failing because we took high time frame liquidity. This is where price reversed after taking the strong low. This one failed. And then here, M5. So M5 was mitigating down. Price tapped something here. I don't know what it was. Well, actually, it was this, of course. Tapped here. I thought it was just going to give a reaction to then keep going down. That was wrong. This one very unlucky. Price ended up taking this. And 5. Engulfing liquidity. And then price give them 5. Oh, this was the unlucky one. Price tapped exactly at my stop loss. And then dropped here. And I couldn't try to long because of this M5. Because price just broke straight down here. And then here I think I skipped. Oh. And here's the last day. M5. Price made mess here. What this was M5 or even you can consider like this manipulation. Even this M5 with M1 kinda mixed here. Ended up working 2R. This was mitigation of M5. There was this manipulation, but no liquidity to go up. Then price ended up creating liquidity here to tap this 50% of the whole POI. I was actually hoping for price to come here. Oh, we actually tapped here. Maybe that was my mistake then. Could have used... I was actually looking at this one, but I should have marked this one. This is the sell to buy, the correct. The whole sell to buy at the extreme. What is this on 5? Wait, where was it? Here. Probably would have marked this one, actually. But whatever. Ended up missing this. Nice trade here. This one I got really lucky. M5 ended up never turning. So we took this M5 here. Here was the only POI that I saw. and then 15. Yeah, everything here was mitigated, only this one was open. First ended up taking this. Almost took me out, but ended up giving for R, which was nice. And yeah, that's it. Let's see how it did. See how the moves on GU moves a lot better than Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it takes ages for price to move. Here on GU, you see that it was a lot faster. The moves actually went to where I wanted. Not all of them, of course, but actually 50% of them went. That's nice. This is probably going to get lower, I'm expecting. Alright, those are nice days. 2R, 10R, minus 3, and then 6R. Holy shit, that's nice. There was no trades on Thursday. Oh, there was no winning trades, only losses. Alright, let's see how the rest of the month goes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.